Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vani Vision. I think so you have gone through to the division how to divide a number by using 9 and 99, right? The past two videos were about it. I think so you have gone through and you have practiced it and you have started implementing it. So I'm back with a new concept, that is dividing a 5 digit or a 6 digit or a 7 digit or any digit like up to a bigger digit number by using 999. So to know that, see the video till the end. Okay, watch the video till the end, then only you are going to understand it. Clear? And one more thing, do subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon. If you are going to press the bell icon only, you are going to get a notifications like what are the videos I'm uploading, right? You will be getting a notification of it. Then you will be with me all the time. Whenever I started uploading, then you can see me and you can learn the new math tricks. Clear? I think so you have practiced 9 and 99 and you started implementing it. It was very easy, right? So I am waiting for your comments too also. Okay. So shall we start our session? So I'm going to take an example first. As usually we are going to do with a general example. Like a general number, we'll take a 5-digit number and we'll do it in a general way first. After doing it in the general way, then we'll learn about a trick. Clear? So my example is 23,167. So I'm taking a 5-digit number, that is 23,167 divided by 999. Okay. So here we should know a 999 table, right? Right. If you wanted to know a 999 table also, we have to know a 9 table even. Right? So now we'll start 23,167 by 999. So 999 into 1, 999. 999 into 2 is how much? 1998. Okay. And then 999 into 3, it is 2997. So I'll be telling you how to write this table also in easy way. Okay, don't worry. I'll be telling you in my next videos about it. How to write without multiplying it. Directly how to write also I'll tell you. Clear? Then see 999. So here 3 digit. We are going to consider 4 digits here. Okay. Now what is my 999? Is 999, which is 3 digit number is very small here. So we have to consider a 4 digit number. So now 999 into 2 is how much? 1998. So I'm going to take a 2. So how much? What I'm going to take? 2. See, 1998. Do a subtraction. Okay. Then it becomes 0. Carry. So it becomes 16. 16 minus 8. 8. 0 minus 9 I can't do. So 2, 1. 10 minus 9, 1. So 1, 3. Then bring this 7 down. Now 3. Say 999 into 4 is what? 3,998, which is even bigger than this number, right? So I should go through 3 only, right? So 3 I should take. So it is what? 2,997. 7 minus 7, 0. Then 8 minus 9, take a carry. 18 minus 9, 9. Then take a carry. 10 minus 9, 1. So our quotient is what? 23. Our remainder is what? 190. So this is too big, right? Now the number is 2. The method, whatever we have used, we have to subtract it, we have to take a borrow. The number is too big and the too lengthy division we got it. This, we are going to do it within 5 seconds by using a small trick. Without using a 999, like 999 table also, we are not going to use it. Clear? So listen carefully. Go through, well, when I am teaching, listen carefully. If you are not able to understand for the first view, go for the second view. Again, you see the video. Okay. Now, what is my number? 23,167. Now it is of 3 digit, right? We have to group a numbers of 3 groups we have to take. What did I say? Like in 2 digit, 2 nines, when we have to group in 2 I said, na? In the same way, we have to group the numbers. Here 3 digits are there. Three numbers in a group we have to take. So 1, 6, 7, 23. Okay. Then now 23 will come as it is, and these 23 should be added with 167. 0, 167, 23. 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. So 190. So our quotient is what? 23. Our remainder is what? 190. Is it same? Right? Is it same? Is it lengthy or this one is lengthy? Which one is lengthy here? This one, right? Which one is easy? This one, right? Did I use any table over here? No, right? Just by using a small trick, grouping our numbers in a threes and then adding them in crisscross method, then we are going to get our quotient and remainder in easy way within 5 seconds, right? So go through the video till the end and practice with the number of examples, other numbers you take and practice them. Then only you are going to get the concept clearly. Practice makes maths perfect. Okay? Stay tuned to Vani Vision and do subscribe, like and share.